The ReliaBilt 3201 is one of the industry's most popular double-hung windows because no other offers the combination of quality, performance, and value for your home. Your windows are, after all, your view to the world. So we make it easy to keep them beautiful. Both sashes open for ventilation and tilt in for easy cleaning. Insulated glass offers energy efficiency, and low E-glass with argon gas options provide for maximum thermal performance and energy savings. The sloped sill allows water to simply run off. There are no weep holes to clog or hold water. Grid is available in flat or contoured profiles and are secured between the panes for easy cleaning too. The series is standard in white or available in almond as well. The half screen is standard, but an optional full screen is available. 3 jamb adjusters on each side and sizing to the nearest 1/8 inch make for a great fit. Installation holes, head expander, and sill angles are also included to make installation easy. Or Lowe's offers a great installation program that allows your home improvement project to be handled turnkey by the trusted Lowe's service. Compare the 3201 to any double hung on the market. No other provides the same value for the money. Its limited lifetime warranty can even be upgraded to include lifetime glass breakage coverage. From the amazing standard features to its worry-free performance, the 3201 will keep your home energy efficient and looking beautiful, all at a great value.